Hey, what's up, all my TTP family? If you've been watching my community section posts on my YouTube channel or even my Instagram, follow my Instagram if you haven't. I basically announced that I'm going to be dropping a fire strategy for you guys, and we're going to make some money right away with it. It ain't going to take a long time to make money with this strategy, okay? And I also said in the post, if you can try to guess what the strategy is, 85% of it, what is it made up of, I'll give you $100. All right, so we got to pick the winners because we got two of them. All right, y'all was on it. So shout out to Illumona Darlington. All right, sorry if I missed your name up, but he said MACD trendline channel. All right, that's somewhat right. He said MACD trendline channel. So I'm gonna shoot you over $100. Easy money. All right, good job on picking that. And we got another winner. I said it can be more than one. It could be more than one. So Tracy Daniels, he said, I think it is the RSI Divergence with support and resistance. All right, so look, you on it too, man. You on it, Tracy. So shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all for commenting below. And I'm gonna drop y'all $100 a piece, all right? I've made a lot of money using this strategy, so why not give some of it away? You see, because Team Take Profits, we don't compete, we dominate. And one of the ways that we dominate is by giving. Let's get this money, baby. Let's go.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, making profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh, stacking that money from the trades, huh. We getting paid, huh, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
You want to trade like the pros? You want to finally reach your goals? You want the tips to catch pips? Then you come to the right channel. What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And today I'm going to give you one of my strategies. Another one of my strategies. I already released like 3 or 4 of them, right? So we're just going to add them together. All right, the more you know, the more money you can make. And with this strategy, all you will need is the MACD, the RSI, and the trend line. All right, all free indicators. Y'all need to give your boy a like. Y'all, I said, look, all free indicators. All right, you need to please give me a like just off that fact alone that everything is free and y'all gonna make some money off of this. All right, you know I'm gonna lace you up. You know I'm gonna drop gems, and I don't come here to play no games. Let's get it. So let's quickly dive into the charts and let's learn how to get this money. Let's go. All right, the first thing is find divergence on the 1 hour chart, okay? Find divergence by looking at the price on the chart making higher highs, but the RSI is making lower lows, all right? No strategy should be formed without price action and market structure. If you see somebody talking about a strategy without talking about those things, it's a weak and flawed strategy. All right, so cool. Here we go. Look at this right here. And we're gonna go over a sell, the sell setup. And the first thing we need to look for is divergence. That is gonna be the basis of the strategy. It takes patience, yes it does. But do you want to be on the right side of the market or the wrong side? Patience is action, all right? And I'm gonna give you high probability trade strategy right here. So, look for divergence. Once you find that, everything is going to come together smoothly. All right. So step number 1, find divergence. In order to find divergence, we need the RSI. So let's grab that. All right. So for my divergence, here's my settings for it. So you got resolution, same as symbol. Length is 14, source is closed. And here's my style settings. Okay. The upper band is 70, the lower band is 30. That's basically default. So that's my RSI settings. So look for divergence. All right, so here's the first thing here. I see. We're gonna make our divergence line dotted or dashed. So look at price making higher highs. See that? Price is making higher highs. I'm gonna circle it for all my new people. We got a high, and then it went higher, and then it went a little bit more higher. So, and then look at the RSI. price up at the top is making higher highs, but the RSI is making lower lows. Why is that? Something is about to happen. And I'm trying to help you guys be in position to see it. So that's the first thing. Find divergence. Okay? So now, step number 2 is on the 1 hour chart, I want you to bring up the MACD. All right? It's the built-in MACD. The built-in MACD into TradingView. This is TradingView platform. The inputs, here's my settings for it. So go ahead and screenshot it. Same as symbol, fast length 12, slow length 26, close, signal smoothing is 9. All right, here's my style for it. Go ahead and copy that and you all set. So now step number 2 is look at the MACD line cross below the signal line. And this is for a sell. The MACD line cross below the signal line. Remember, my MACD line is blue. My signal line is orange. All right. So basically what it's telling you is that a pullback is coming. All right. Right now we're above the histogram. That's why you see the market like pushing up. The market is pushing up. So the 2 lines are above the histogram, saying that it's in the buyer's market. Okay. But we're trying to get ahead of the game. We're trying to prepare for, potentially a reversal or a deeper pullback. So find divergence first and then look at the MACD line go below the signal line. All right. And then that's going to tell you that a pullback is coming. All right. So now, and we're doing all of this on the 1 hour chart. And then I will let you know when the signal lines go through the histogram, that's this green and red, little bars, that's the histogram. When those 2 signal lines go through the histogram, then that's really telling you that the trend is changing. But that hasn't happened yet. But right now we're looking at the MACD line crossing below the signal line at the top. So that's what we got here, the blue line crossing below the orange. So everything is good. So now step 3, draw a trend line. Boom. Let's make our trend line straight. We're not going to do it dashed. All right. So draw that trend line up. So now we're waiting for that to break. And we got us a trade set up. So we're going to do it like that. That should be good. That should be good. Bring it up a little bit. All right. So now we got basically our blueprint set up. So step number 4 is go to the 15-minute chart. That is our entry chart. All right. So now on the 15-minute chart, we're waiting for the trend line to be broken. See, we found this setup on the 1 hour chart. That's going to be like a high quality trade setup because we found it on a higher time frame. Okay. So now we're just camping out on the 15 minutes, sitting on our hands, waiting for the trend line to be broken. And look, if you want even more confirmation, team, if the signal lines and the signal line and the MACD line, that blue and orange line, if they are underneath the histogram on the 15-minute chart, then that's more confirmation for you to take that sell. So let's play this chart out so you can see how it forms. All right, so this is how it played out. Let's zoom in on the chart, make it bigger for you, and let's see. All right, now look, do you see how, look at the MACD at the bottom. Look at the MACD at the very bottom. Do you see how these lines are below the histogram? That's going to give you confirmation to take this sell on your entry time frame. It's breaking the trend line, and the MACD was already underneath the histogram. The MACD and the signal line, the lines were already underneath. The divergence with the RSI, we're done with that. We just needed the RSI to find divergence on the 1 hour chart. We don't need it anymore now. All right. So now we're just looking at price breaking the trend line on a 15-minute chart, and we're looking to see if the 2 lines are underneath the histogram. That gives you great confirmation. So here you go. This is how it played out. There you go. So right here, just from the trend line break, we already up 34 pips. That's already 34 pips. Let's see what else happened. Now look, that's basically way more than 34 pips. That's probably like 60 pips at this point. Now look, I don't know 74 pips. I don't know how long it's going to drop. Okay? I don't know if the whole trend is going to change. I don't know that. No one knows that. If you're a retail trader, you don't know that. You may have an idea by looking left at the structure, but you really don't know. So just be like me, compound your money over the course of a year and being consistent, waiting for the strategy to happen, all right? So grab about 30 pips and that should change your life. Over a course of a year, a couple years of doing this, that would change your life. So that's all I got to say about that. Just be consistent, all right? And if you want to catch more, then move up the stop loss. All right, move up the stop loss and just see how much you can catch. I hope that you understand this. Comment below if I laced you up. All right, drop some money signs if I laced you up in this video. This is very easy to backtest. It's very easy to understand. And it's highly profitable. Highly profitable. Guys, I make these YouTube videos because I want to see you win. I really do. All right, I know you can tell. If you go around and look at all these other people, they give you half of the story, they give you half the game, then they, whatever. I ain't got nothing to do with no other people. All I know is that I'm here to help, guys, and I want you to meet me halfway by studying my material. Study the material because you're going to come back with amazing results. All right. My mission is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. That's the goal. That's the mission from day one, and it will never change. All right. Guys, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace. And look, know what? If you guys make some money with this next week, 2 weeks from now, send your boy a video with a testimony. I would love that. I will put you out there. All right. Let's go.